Why transformers give humming sound? Let's find out. Alternating current is the type of electricity produced by power plants, and it is so named because the current changes direction, or alternates, many times each second. The number of times per second that the current alternates is determined by the standards of each country. The frequency of AC power is commonly 50 to 60 Hz, or 50 to 60 times per second. When electricity hums at 100 to 120 Hz, the hum you hear is usually twice the frequency of the AC power being used. The hum is frequently caused by an electromagnetic device called a transformer, which is used to reduce the voltage of power by vibrating. If you love this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.